Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Pan Flamingo Power Wash. Today we're doing a gutter cleaning job over here in Cheval in North Tampa. And then the second job we have today is a driveway. But we all set up over here for this gutter cleaning. Got my ladder ready to go. Got my tools, got my bags. So we're gonna get up there and see what it looks like. See y'all up there. All right, guys, we up on top. Customer had a tree over here, and that's why all these pine needles are there. So this looks like the worst gutter that we have. The rest of them aren't that bad. I'm gonna try to test these out to see what we're looking like. Doesn't look that bad over here either. Yep, pretty wet too. Scoop those up. Over here on the golf course. Alright, guys, pretty much done all the way around the house already, and this back part right here is wet, so it's not blowing off. So I got my gutter tool that I'm gonna use. Makes it nice and easy. What's up, guys? We all done with the gutter cleaning job over here. The blower didn't work that good. It died on me, and I charged it all night. So I'm probably gonna move over to a gas power unit, just to prevent, having to use my hands. I can just use the blower. So I'm gonna look into buying one of those real soon. We're gonna go to the next job, which is driveway cleaning. So we'll see y'all there. What's up, guys? We got number 2. About to take care of this driveway for this customer. I'm getting my tanks filled up, and I'm about to go ahead and start doing this driveway. driveway cleaning. Came out pretty good. Just gotta get the customer and do a walk around, and we'll be on to the next job. So, job is done. Check it out. All right, guys, we all set up on number 3. It's a pool deck and a pool enclosure. All right, so this is it, guys. You know what's crazy? I just cleaned this about 5 months ago, and look at all this dirt, all this algae, pollen. Look at that, 5 months, guys. You know why? Look at this back here. It's almost like a damn swamp back there. And yes, I still wet it down, even though it's a screen. I still wet it down before I even start. And while I'm wetting the screen, I just go ahead and water down the plants on the inside. All right, time to start soaping. This is the inside. Got some build up over here on the ground. This was painted before, so gotta make a note of that. But they know this. This was how it was last time when I came here. But got a screen that's blown out over here. Gotta make a note of that. Right here, it's a screen that's blown out. All right, we're gonna soap up the inside now. Alright guys, we all done. All the algae is gone. That was up there. Pool deck looking good. I'm not gonna walk in there. I don't wanna get it dirty. That looks real good. Let's check around over here, look around over here. Alright guys, we all done for the day. 3 jobs. It's like, what time is it? About 3:30 right now. I started about 9:30 this morning. So, pretty good day. I appreciate y'all checking out my videos too. Thank you for all the subscribers. It means a lot to me. I just hit 100 subscribers, so I appreciate that. Thank you for everybody checking out my videos. For the guy that asked me about my setup, so this is what I'm running over here. I have a 5.5 GPM Honda GX630 pressure washer with the external tank. I got 100 foot of water supply hose. I used to have a Flexzilla, but it touched my muffler and got a hole in it, so I gotta use the backups for now. I got about 200 feet of high pressure hose right now, and this is about 250 softwash hose. I have a 15-gallon tank back here that I use for my downstream. I use this 55-gallon over here for my batch mix and you know, roof wash and all that. I have a 12-volt Ramco 12-volt pump. It's 100 psi. I have the battery right over here. This is my 3-way ball valve banjo that I use it to rinse my my 12-volt out when I'm done. When it's in the up position, it's pulling from the buffer tank. I still have to plumb it in the right way. And then when it's down, it's pulling out of here. I got some surfactant back here. I use slow-mo for my surfactant. Shout out to Lower Smith. This is what I use, slow-mo. I have 2 of them. This one's almost empty. I have this degreaser from Lower Smith also. It's called Stampede Plus. Pretty good stuff. I have a 20-inch surface cleaner here that I use most of the time. I have a hot box in here with a muffler that spins out and come outside of the truck, outside of the van. Let me see what else is in here. Gas tank, toolbox. I do have a 16-inch backup for my surface cleaner. It's a whisper wash. That thing saved me last time. Couple poles, the sign I put out when I do pressure washing. Got a couple other things back here. Got some gutter grenade right here. Got some extra hose over here. So this is my van setup, man. I got 2 ladders up top. I use a 24 foot ladder, and I have a 28 foot ladder that I had just got not too long ago. I haven't used it yet, so maybe one day. All right guys, thank you for checking out my video. I'll see y'all next time.